What if the universe didn't begin with a singular Big Bang, but instead, was part of an eternal cosmic cycle? Welcome to the mind-bending theory of the Ekpyrotic Universe, a model that challenges everything we thought we knew about the birth and death of reality. Unlike the traditional Big Bang theory, which suggests a singular explosion, the Ekpyrotic model proposes that our universe is just one of two immense cosmic branes floating in a higher dimensional space. Every so often, these branes collide, creating a fiery burst of energy, the birth of a new universe. In this theory, the universe doesn't just begin and end once. Instead, it goes through an infinite cycle of contraction, collision, and rebirth. This would mean that time has no beginning, it has always existed. One of the biggest mysteries of cosmology is what happened before the Big Bang. If the Ekpyrotic model is correct, then the answer is simple. A previous universe existed before ours. This challenges the idea that time and space emerged from nothing. But is there any proof for this radical idea? Some scientists argue that subtle patterns in the cosmic microwave background radiation could hint at an earlier universe. However, critics say the Big Bang model is still the strongest explanation. Could future discoveries prove otherwise? If the Ekpyrotic universe is real, it means our universe will one day contract and collapse. But instead of ending forever, it will give birth to a new cosmos. Reality is not a single event but a never-ending cycle. What do you think? Is our universe part of an eternal cycle of rebirth, or was it truly born in a single, unique Big Bang? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep questioning the cosmos.